Hello YouTubers, good morning. I bought myself new camera, film-based camera, 4x5 or 5x4 format film. So basically I'm charging the magazine, the film holder, because today is a kind of foggy day, and I got in mind some photographs that in a place that I saw previously, and for what I want exactly is that a bit of atmosphere, and I'm going to take the chance with this foggy day. So I'm going to charge these film holders. For that I got, of course, changing bag. This is basically a mini dark room. So I'm going to put the film holders inside. I already cleaned this one because we need to make sure that doesn't have any dust in it. Before put the film, we just dust it, clean it from the dust. This magazine holder is a very old magazine holder. It's an MPP that suits my new camera, which is an MPP 5x4. I think is a Mark 6 or 7, I'm not sure about it. So when we charge magazines, we make sure that we put the white side to the front, and when we do the shot, we just turn to the black side. So white, and there we go. In a way, I'm testing these film holders because I'm not sure if they are light tight. So trying. Anyway, it's my first day with this camera, so I have to. Basically, it's kind of a training, really. But anyway, if I can get a nice shot, I would. So preparing this, take all the dust from the inside. Seems like it's a bit, oh, this is really old. Hopefully it's going to work. So yeah, I'm going to put this one inside. Now I've got some film here, that expiry date film, but anyway, it's just for testing. Shanghai Chinese film. Let's see how it behaves after the developing. So put the film in the bag, everything in the bag. Now I'm going to close the zip, double zip, and then put my hands inside. Let's try to put the film inside these holders. Let's see what we've got here. This 5x4 film is not cheap at all, so we need to make sure that we deal with this with careful. Right, okay, box is closed now, so I'm taking my hands from the bag, and there we go, opening the bag here, zip, double zip. It's sticky. Right, there we go. So well, the box is closed, the magazine holders are charged, and with the white to the outside, and when I shoot these I'm going to turn to the black side, and then I know that the film is exposed. So these ones, I've got 3 more here, but I will, yeah, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 12 shots for testing today. So what I've got here in my bag is basically the magazine holders, a loop to make sure that everything is in focus, cable, and I'm going to need these to cover my head. If not, it's going to be difficult to see the image on the back of the camera. And that's my 5x4 format camera, which is a MPP camera. So basically we open the camera this side, and there we go. It's a nice camera. It still is portable. It's around 3 kilo. It's not that heavier for this format, really. It's quite compact, and hopefully it's going to be nice photographs today with a nice quality. So let's see how things are going today. Thank you for watching. I'm starting the channel, so make sure you, if you like, just thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe, should be great, and we'll be in touch. Thank you very much. See you in the field.